Signorita.
Pepe bakunonya.
Diana, I'm so proud of you. Nti otose ku something actually this big, celebrating 10 years in the business. It is not hey, how are you guys?
Pata.
You okay? Temundaba?
Tukulaba yadde nakatono.
Zembalaba. Yes, I hope you're okay. Yeah, Diana, I'm so happy for you to be here, that you're celebrating 10 years in the business. And I'm so happy to here to support you as a celebrate your 10 years in the business. You're my friend. In fact, you're my gango. People don't know things. We share things. not Lugamwe, but real things. Me and Diana share things, and she's a very good friend to me. Eda mutawanya nyo, and she knows it. Eda simyange wajira baba ino jikwata amanya, it's urgent. Tajitwala for granted. Eda wajiri singa, she calls back and says, Karol, are you okay? I found your missed call. So it's we have very many friends in the industry. Me, I'm friends to very many artists. In fact, every artist, but it is unique and funny how I found a very good friend in Diana, and I don't take our friendship for granted. I respect it very much because she also respects it a lot, and I see it in her. Mulabanga fayo nyokulaba we are friends into the 20s in everywhere. And Diana is very, very real, Banange, and you guys real knows real, because me, I'm the realest person. So being Diana's friend, it's not by mistake. I'm her friend because she's a real person. She'll tell you to onyomye, and she'll tell you onyomye. Like in your face, so it's why I like her so much, and she tries so much. Like Nagambane Karol, gezako chino kale wadenange nomphomene sibifako nnyo naye abeera omulabanga afaako nnyo, try this, try that. She's a person abeera nga akugattako, and every time when we meet we talk emboze ezituzimba. It's rare for us to talk about ebitatuzimba. We're always talking about echiddako. It's why we managed to have a song together after being friends in a very short time, because we came close in a short time, and then boom, we had a collaboration together. Because every time we are together, we're talking about how do we get from here to there. And thank you for being that kind of friend. So come 10 January, I am gonna be there like your sister, like a good friend to you, like you are to me. And you have my table there. Mama Sao, very much. I want to make sure I move around with you when I can, so we can source more tables together, because I know you would do that for me as well. So I wish you all the best. Come 10th January. Please come and support Spice Diana, Spice Mommy, and the media. Wanji, I confirm what? You want me to pay for the table from here? Then I don't want this to be about me. That's how I was brought up. Today is about Spice Diana, and I'll pay for her table. Guys, it's not about Kubera and Timpuli and Beda what is happening today. So I'll pay for my table, and you know I will. And I'll pick Masao, and I'll support you, honey. And I'll make sure to Jabanji Naratabalabanji Nyonyo. And the media houses, please, let's push Diana's concert like Nyonyo. So Ajfunamo in a good way. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, Karol. Teba otutanso zitunda edda